It's an operation focused on modernization and expansion strategies to mobilize the efficiency of Jamaica's transport sector.
The public transport sector is a critical aspect of our economy, and this government continues to work to reposition this sector to ensure reform and sustainability.
70 new Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC buses are to be delivered this fiscal year. They include 45 diesel, 5 electric, and 20 CNG fueled units. This will significantly boost the JUTC fleet and increase daily bus runout. Other modernization plans for the JUTC include a new online portal for charter and sub-franchise license applications, procurement of a cashless fare collection system, a technology-based solution to detect, locate, and track fuel theft, and partnership with the Heart NSTA Trust for 44 employees to receive motor vehicle mechanics training. To implement some of the digital upgrades, the Transport Authority Act and regulations will be amended. Other major initiatives for the Transport Authority include implementation of an island-wide camera network infrastructure to improve monitoring in the transport sector, temporary relocation of the Transport Authority Lakes Bend Pound facility to Water Lane in Kingston, implementation of the Transport Authority Digital Transformation Project, and launch of an electronic ticketing system to replace written summons. The technology revolution continues over at the Island Traffic Authority ITA, with plans to install a new integrated motor vehicle and driver's license system. Additional technology such as headlight aimers, tint and decibel meters, and modern crash data retrieval kits are being sourced to support the execution of the Road Traffic Act and regulations. The ITA is also moving to roll out online tests for road code, driving, and fitness across all examination depots this year. On the tracks, the revival of rail service continues for this fiscal year. The Jamaica Railway Corporation, JRC, will execute major opportunities in freight and commuter transport to increase revenue. An agreement between the JRC and the Mineral Agency for Retail and Logistics Limited, MARL, will allow for the transportation of aggregates along the Old Harbour to Linstead Rail and Bog Walk to Port Esquivel for export.
This is expected to ensure consistent revenue for the JRC by utilizing the approximately 30 miles of operating track within St. Catherine. The total aggregate to be moved is projected to be approximately 1 million tons per year, resulting in potential revenue of over Jamaican $480 million per annum.
Other railway service expansion planned for 2023 include the establishment of a tourist train service from Montego Bay to Appleton. Commuter rail service will be expanded to transport over 5,000 workers daily in Angel, St. Catherine to a business process outsourcing BPO investment.
It is also to be noted that freight along the Spanish Town and Linstead rail section is high on the agenda for this fiscal year. Among the AAJ, MBJ Airports Limited and PACAL, there is a committed capital expenditure of over $100 million to be executed over the period 2023 to 2026. $46 million is slated to be spent in this financial year.
At the Sectoral International Airport, major works include the continuation of the MBJ Phase 3 runway extension project, budgeted at $70 million. Runway pavement improvements at the Norman Manley International Airport, costing $4.5 million, are to be implemented in 2023. A 5-megawatt solar power project costing $7.8 million will also be installed to provide 75% of the runway's energy needs. 15 additional automated border control kiosks are being procured through the Airport Improvement Fund to reduce congestion at the Sectoral International Airport. To further advance aviation safety, the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority (JCAA) will receive more upgrades in the fiscal year to improve its communication and surveillance systems. These include a ground-based automatic dependent surveillance broadcast and a low-level wind shear alert system to improve accurate and reliable surveillance in local weather conditions.
The Maritime Authority of Jamaica has been taking steps to position Jamaica as a shipping center.
Jamaica's maritime space now provides liquid natural gas (LNG) bunkering service to refuel ships. This is expected to expand our shipping competitiveness to become an LNG bunkering hub.
A floating dry dock, which will be used to repair mainly commercial vessels, including container ships, bulk carriers, and tankers, will arrive in Jamaica by the end of this year.
Jamaica will also participate in re-elections to the International Maritime Organization (IMO), the agency responsible for regulating safety and standards in the shipping industry. The government remains committed to creating a reliable and sustainable transport sector, one that is vital to stimulating Jamaica's economic pursuit.